Unlock the true power of your Allstate Protection Plan and turn potential worries into practical solutions, all within minutes. First, let's dive into understanding your coverage. Open your Allstate Protection Plan app or log into your account online. Navigate to the My Plan section here. You'll find a detailed breakdown of what your plan covers, including specific item protection, accidental damage, and extended warranties. Familiarize yourself with deductibles and any limitations to ensure you know exactly what to expect. Now, when the unexpected happens, initiating a claim is straightforward. Visit the File a Claim section within your app or on the Allstate website. You'll be guided through a simple process. You'll need to provide details about the item, the nature of the damage or issue, and select the appropriate claim type. Having your plan number readily available will expedite this. Gather any relevant documentation, such as proof of purchase or photos of the damage. Once submitted, your claim will be reviewed by an Allstate representative. They're there to help you through every step, answering any questions and explaining the next actions. You can often track your claim's progress directly through the app, keeping you informed and reassured. Following approval, Allstate will guide you through the resolution process, whether it's repair, replacement, or reimbursement. This meticulous approach ensures you not only recover from the unforeseen, but also maximize the value and peace of mind your Allstate Protection Plan provides.